You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from anatomy: a sphincter muscle valve. If you want to learn more from medicine, stay tuned. Ileocecal, right? It relates to the ilium and cecum. So, English pronunciation here: ileocecal valve. Ileocecal valve. Faulty ileocecal valve. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.